Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today we got here the Super Mario Character Series 5. This is set number 71410. We have 8 different characters you can build. Of course, it's no blind bag anymore because you have no chance to feel which one of those 8 characters is inside the box. My dealer always makes the boxes open and takes a look inside and looks which one of those characters is inside. So I got here a complete collection of all of those 8. This is why here is the little number on the top of the box from 1 to 8. And I've decided, because of the bigger size in this series 5, there are up to 40, up to 50 pieces for each one included. The last series was much smaller, so I decided to make for each figure here a separate video. Which one of those 8 you see in this video, you can see out of the thumbnail and the video title, because this scene I only recorded once for all 8. And I think, let's have a look, have fun.